Good morning children. Welcome to today's section. Today's section is for first standard students. And as you people know that I have completed the lesson Mr. Boone and Mr. Goon. Yes children, this is the story of two friends, Mr. Boone and Mr. Goon. See what happens one day when they meet. Two friends, Mr. Boone and Mr. Goon, who cannot hear very well, setting a street. Mr. Boone is going to the market with a bag. He sees Mr. Goon. Mr. Boone, how are you, Mr. Goon? Mr. Goon, oh, Mr. Boone, how are you? What are you saying? Cows are few. Where are the cows? Mr. Boone, shouting. I did not say cows are few. I said, how are you? Mr. Goon, I am fine. But why are you shouting in my ear? Where are you going taking this bag? Mr. Goon, I am going to the market to buy some rice. Mr. Goon, mice, why do you want mice in your house? They will nibble at everything. Mr. Boone, I said rice, not mice. Mr. Boone, oh, ice. You are going to buy ice? Getting angry, Mr. Boone, please excuse me. I must go now. I have to go to the market. Mr. Goon, what? You have to bring a basket now. Why do you need a basket? Mr. Boone, oh my God, I am going, starts running. Mr. Boone, Mr. Boone, please wait. They both run out. So this was the small story. I have shown you the video of this story also children, so that you can understand what is this. So here now we will have the activity into the book, textbook. That is, first you will receive the question answers, and second the video part, what I will explain in the video now, that you have to write into your fair books. So first we will begin with the second main. Write the rhyming words from the story. First main, second main, sorry. Write the rhyming words from the story. So here the first one, you rice market. First one is what here? You. Second one is rice, and third one is market. Market. So now the answer for this is, see, we have to see in the story children, whatever the story is given into the textbook, with that we have to write this rhyming words. So now here first one they are given you, and then what? Rice, and then market. So here you we have to write few rhyming words, the sound, and then here rice, mice, and the last is market, basket. Market, basket. Then next, the next page number 16 in your textbook. Question and answers. Mr. Goon was always asking everyone questions. So Mr. Goon So, what is the name? Mr. Boone. He was always asking questions to everyone whoever was to meet him. ಯಾರು ಭೇಟಿ ಆದ್ರೂ ಅವನು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಬರೀ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗಳನ್ನು ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದ. Questions, asking questions, ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗಳನ್ನು ಕೇಳೋದು. One day he forgot the questions. One day so happened that Mr. Boone he only forgot the questions. ಒಂದಿನ ಏನಾಯ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಅವನಿಗೇನೆ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮರ್ತೋಯ್ತು. He forgot all the questions and only remembered the answers, and in his memory only answers were there, no questions were left. So help Mr. Boone by writing the questions to the answers given. So what they have given here, you can see children, here is the picture. We can see that, I will show you here. Yes, see here, Mr. Boone was always asking everyone question. Everyone question. One day he forgot the questions and only remembered the answers. Help Mr. Boone by writing the questions to the answers given. So here you can see children, in first picture, here in the first picture you can see, what is this? The picture is given here. What is this children? This is a bat. So this is a bat. Now coming to the next part. See here, only they have given what. Can you see this children? Only what is given here. What? What? But answer is given now. This is a fan. You can see the picture of a fan. Yes? So we have to write, what is this? This is a fan. Now third one, what? No question is given here. Answer is given, these are books. Why these children? Because the thing is more than one. 2 books are there. So these are books. Now coming to the next part. What? Answer is what here? There are 3 chicks. Means these are more than 1. Yes or no? More than 1. So the answer is these are chicks. What is the answer? These are chicks. So the question will be, what are these? What are these? What are these? Question mark. Now next sentence. Who dash. Here you can see many people are there. Then this girl is asking this boy, who are they? The answer is, they are my friends. What is the answer here? They are my friends. Coming to the next part. Are you dash. What is the answer? Are you dash. Then the answer is, yes, I am going to school. Are you going to school? Yes, I am going to school. So this is the activity children that we have to complete today. You can see here, these all sentences are present in the book with the help of the pictures. So now let us solve this activity. Yes children, let us solve this activity. So here first, then we will write the question here. Question number 3. Help Mr. Boone. Mr. Boone by writing the questions to the answers given. The questions to the answers given. Yes, this is the question they have asked. Now, children first understand the question. what they have asked, help Mr. Boone by writing the questions to the answers given. Already answers are given. Answers ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗಿದೆ. ಬಟ್ ಆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್ ಗೆ ನಾವು ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಅನ್ನು ಹೇಗೆ ಎತ್ತಬೇಕು, ಹೌ ಟು ರೇಸ್ ದ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್, ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ is what there, what is this? What is this? Then what is the answer here? This is a bat. The answer is this is a bat. So first one they have already given the answer, children. So this is what here, this is the bat. Yes children, this is the bat. So what is this? This is a bat. This is a bat. Now coming to the next question here. Now next question, that is only they have given question number 2, what. What is given and a big dash is given in front of it. Yes, a big dash. So here what is the answer for this question, children? The picture is given there. What picture is given? The picture of the fan. The picture of the fan is given here. Yes, fan. So the fan is only in one. ಒಂದಿದ್ದಾಗ ಹತ್ರಕ್ಕಿದ್ದಾಗ ದಿಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಒಂದಿದ್ದಾಗ ದೂರ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಭಾಳ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ದೂರ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ದೋಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಭಾಳಷ್ಟು ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಹತ್ರಕ್ಕಿದ್ದಾಗ ವಸ್ತುಗಳು ಪರ್ಸನ್ಗಳಿಗೆ ಏನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ದೀಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಎಸ್ ಆರ್ ನೋ? ಎಸ್. ಸೊ ಟುಡೇ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಲರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಸಿಂಗುಲರ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಪ್ಲೂರಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ದೀಸ್. ಓಕೆ. So here the answer is this is a fan. This is a fan. This is the answer, children. Idu answer. Idiki question hege ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? What is this? What is this? Question mark. Third one. What dash? What dash? This is the question. Now what picture they have given? They have given the picture of the books here. They have given the picture of books. How many books are there, children? 2 books are there. 1, 2. How many books are there? 2 books. For this question, what answer they have given here? Answer is what here? What is the answer? These. They have given these are books. Full point. So ಈ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಮೋರ್ ದೆನ್ ಒನ್, ಒಂದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಅದ. ಎಸ್ ಆರ್ ನೋ? ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ದೀಸ್? ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ದೀಸ್? ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್. ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ದೀಸ್? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, now coming to the fourth question. Fourth question is what here? Again what? Only what is mentioned, and then they have given a line, and then the picture is given of the chicks. Chicks. So, what will be the question here, children? The answer they have given is, there are more than one. 3 chicks are there. I have removed only 2. So, the answer is these. These are chicks. Answer. So, what will be the question now? What are these? What are these? These are chicks. Yes? Now next one. Fifth one. Fifth one. Who? Who is given here and then a dash is given. Here there are many friends sitting in the, here there is a corner and here one girl is standing and here 3 people are sitting. How many? 3 people are sitting. So, the answer for this question is, they are my friends. They, T capital, they are my friends. Friends. They are my friends. So here, how to write the question now? Who are they? The question is, who are they? Now next, are you dash? Sixth question. Are you dash? So the question is what here? Answer for this question is, yes, I am going to school. Yes, I am going to school. So here there is a building of the school. So the question is what here? Are you going to school? Are you going to? Here children, we have constructed the questions with the help of the answers. Help Mr. Goel by writing the questions to the answers given. What is this? This is a bat. What is this? This is a fan. What are these? These are hooks. What are these? These are chicks. Who are they? They are my friends. Are you going to school? Yes, I am going to school. So next, coming to the next part now. Word fun. The next is what? Word fun. Everything should be written in your notebooks, children. Word fun. This activity is only for textbook. This activity na bari textbook alli ashte ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So here, find and write 10 food and drink words. Find and write 10 food or drink words. Find and write 10 food or drink words. So we will write 10 here. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This is one part. Second one is 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. This is the another part. 10. Okay. Now, Here I will show what is given here in the test. So here you can see, children, the last activity in your test book. Word fun. What is this? Word fun. Yes. Find and write 10 food and drink words. So you can see here some spellings are given here in the circle shape they have given. Yes, see first one, APPLE apple, SANDWICHT, that is sandwich, TOFFE toffee, WATER water, SPINACH spinach, and then here MILK milk, JAM jam, BANANA banana, PEANUTS nuts, TEAT. See, so many words they have given in one circle, and these words we have to write in the place given here. Okay, so let us begin, children. Now here the first word is what here? Apple. What is the first word, children? Apple. APPLE apple. Yes. And the next word is what here? Sandwich. ANSDWICH. Sandwich. And then TOFFE toffee. And the next is WATER water. And after water, the next thing spinach. The next, now here the next one after that is what? Milk. MILK milk. And the next is JAM jam, BANANA banana, BANANA banana, and then peanuts, PEANUTS peanuts, and last is tea. These are the 10 words. Yes, children. Now next part of this lesson, naming words. Naming words means what, children? What are naming words? Naming words means the things which have names. All the things are having names like person, place, animal, bird and thing. Each and everything is having a name. Yes or no? So now here they have given a chart of the name, place, animal and the thing. But lots of names are given there. What we have to do? We have to bifurcate the names according to the chart given, like name, place, animal and the thing. Read the words given below. Put them in the right box. What they have given? Put them in the right box. So here yes, now here first one. The first one is what here? Fifth meaning. That is naming words. Naming words. So here they have given, read the words given below. Read the words given below. And then put them in the right box. Put them in the right box. In the right box. So here first column they have given there an, bed, and then shell, and the next is Nina. This is first column. Second one Paris, and the next is snake, America. Yes, America. And then the next is Harsha. This is second. Third column ant. And the next is Mohan. And next mango. And the next is Singapore. This is the next one. Coming to the next, Sonia. And then Goa. Giraffe. And the last is swing. Yes. Then after this, the next box. The next box is what here? A rock. Then Neelafar. And the next is table. Next is Bhopal. The next elephant, school, beetle, parrot. Elephant, school, beetle, parrot. So these are the words. You can see ant, bed, shell, Nina, Paris, snake, America, Harsha, ant, Mohan, mango, Singapore, Sonia, Goa, giraffe, swing, rock, Neelafar, table, Bhopal, elephant, school, beetle, and then parrot. Now here children. Now down we have to write the names. That is name, place, animal, and the last is thing. Down box ಮಾಡಬೇಕು box ಮಾಡಿ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. Yes. So here the first one we have to write is what here? And it comes in the name. Bed, it comes in the thing. The next shell, it comes in the thing. And next Nina. Nina, it comes in the name. Then Paris, place, other country it is. Snake is what? Animal. And then America also, it is a foreign country. Place. Harsha, name. And then ant. Ant is what here? Animal. Mohan, name. I will write here children because there is no place for me to write. There is one thing I will do. Here I will write the another box, that is rock, Nilofar, table, Gopa. Then the next is elephant, spool, beetle, and the next is parrot. So that I can write these names correctly. Yes. So here first one is their name. Name, place, animal, and the last is thing. Thing. So yeah. Now here children, first one you can see. This is Anne. Anne is what? It is the name of a person. Boy or girl. Both will come. Next, bed. Bed is what? Thing. Vastu ala? Yes, it is the thing which we keep in the bedroom. Then next, shell. Shell. That is also the thing. Next, Nina. It is the name of a person. So, it comes in the name. Next, Paris. It is the name of the country. Place. It comes in the place. Next is what? Snake. Snake is what here? Animal. It is the reptile. Next, America. America is foreign country. So, it comes in the place. Next, Harsha, name of a boy. So it comes in the name. Ant, ant is a small insect. It comes in the animal. The next, Mohan. Mohan is what? Name of a boy or a man. Mango, mango is the fruit and it is the thing. So we will write here mango. The next, Singapore, that is foreign country. So, it is a place. Next, Sonia, name of a girl. So, it comes in the name. Goa, Goa is what? It is the name of the place. The next, giraffe. Giraffe is what, children? Animal. Next is swing. Swing andre enu? Jokali. You play na swing. That comes in the thing. Next, rock. Rock also it comes in the thing. Nilofar, it comes in the name. Sorry. In the name. Table. Table is what? It is the thing. Next, Bhopal, it is name of the place, children. Place. It is name of the place. Next is what here? Elephant. It is a animal. Elephant is what here? Animal. Next, school. School comes in the place only because we construct it on the site. The next, beetle. Beetle is small insects. We will write it in the place of animal. Next comes what? Parrot. Parrot is what here? It is the name of a bird. It comes in the animal. By this, we have completed the chart of a naming word by bifurcating the things in the correct order. Coming to the next part of this section, that is page number 17 in your test books. Here children, you can see the activities given for you people, that is picture word. Word picture, read a sentence and then draw and color the picture accordingly. The brown dog is sleeping with a big green ball. So here children, you can see a box is given to you people. You have to draw a dog which is sleeping dog holding a ball in the hand, and the color of the dog is brown and the color of the ball is green. So with this lesson is completed, and now you have to complete this activity and send me the photocopy of this. Thank you children. Have a great day.